All right, I'm Kyle Barker with Central Texas Technology Solutions. We are here with LaRonda Murphy. She was one of our contest winners with the phishing email. Thank you, LaRonda, for playing.
It's my pleasure.
Congratulations on winning. She got herself a carrot cake to show her coworkers just how smart she really is. So again, thank you for that. And if you're looking to have a great time, come on out to Mel's Lone Star Lanes. They're open. It's a great time here. It's always perfect weather to go bowling. How long have you been with Mel's Lone Star Lanes, Rhonda?
Just about 7 years now.
Wow, fantastic, fantastic. Hey, and tell me a little bit about Mel's.
Oh, it's a place that'll bowl you over.
Exactly.
Oh man, and we also host CJ's Catering. So if you have any catering needs, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out.
Fantastic, fantastic. Well, there's a lot of people here having fun today. So LaRonda, again, thank you so much and enjoy your cake.
Thank you, we will.